Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a special rice variety, mushroom chicken fried rice. So let's see how to make that. Here I have 6 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1 cup of mushrooms chopped, 3 green chillies finely chopped. Here I have made Kashmiri chilli paste. Before making chilli paste, I soaked 4 Kashmiri chilli, dry Kashmiri chilli in warm water, and then I made a paste of this one. Here I have 400 grams of boneless chicken. I cut them into cubes. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, chilli paste and enough salt. Mixing it well, and we need to keep this marination for 10 to 15 minutes so that chicken pieces can absorb all these spicy flavors and all. Here I have finely chopped spring onions which will be used for garnishing once the fried rice is ready. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. I am using sunflower oil. For preparing fried rice and all, I prefer to use sunflower oil rather than using coconut oil. Oil has become hot. Let's add finely chopped green chilies, garlic, saute it for 1 to 2 minutes in medium flame just to get rid of the raw taste of these veggies. No need to wait until it becomes completely golden in color or it turns brown in color. So this is done. I am going to add marinated chicken pieces into this. This chicken fried rice resembles a lot with Szechuan chicken fried rice and it is so yummy. Adding marinated chicken pieces. Kashmiri chilli what we have used here will give a nice red color for our chicken fried rice. We need to cook this until it is half done. After that I'm going to add chopped mushrooms into this. Cover this up and cook this for 3 to 4 minutes in medium flame. Chicken is half done. I am going to add chopped mushrooms into this. I am using 1 cup of chopped mushrooms. I had already shared some more recipes using mushrooms. Butter mushrooms, mushroom roast recipes are already there in my channel. If you want, you can check it over there. We don't need to add any water into this. Once the mushrooms become hot, this will release enough moisture. Look at this, this has enough gravy now. We need to wait until gravy becomes thick. Gravy is thick right now. I am going to add 3 cups of cooked basmati rice into this. Rice what I am adding here is in room temperature. To this I am adding 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, gently mix this, keeping the flame high. Once it is mixed well, check the taste and add salt if required. So this is ready. Finally adding some chopped spring onions. So our mushroom chicken fried rice is all ready to serve. Hope you liked today's video. If you like it, do not forget to click the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you are a new visitor. So until next video, bye bye.